Edmonton Travelodge Hotel.
Celebrating our...
Happy anniversary. Diba? Happy, diba? Happy.
So, I'm gonna show you our room. So, there's 2 beds. One for the things and one for us. And ayun naman. Shopping galore kami kanina. Half of the day pa lang. Ubus na ang budget ni John Kenji. Sugar daddy. Char. Look at my nails, chat.
Mink. Mink na may mga
Ay, I'm gonna show you my...
for shopping ulit for today.
It's cold today, chat.
Oh guys, nandito kami ng aking asawa. So,
Kadiri na yung vape namin.
paano yung kadiri?
Paano yung kadiri? Fit check. Wala, sa AirPod. Sino ka dyan?
Wala.
And another shoes in that box. I'm so spoiled, right?
Yes, you are.
Okay, we're broke. Uwi na kami. Hi!
Mommy! Daddy!
Chat.
Hi chat. Mayroon kaming
Little update.
little update last minute.
Mukhang uuwi tayo bukas ng bago ang sasakyan.
Uy!
Nag-anniversary lang, nagbago ng sasakyan yarn. We're on our way to Toyota.
Sir.
So, come with us as we check on different vehicles.
Yes sir. Oh, maganda yun oh.
Maganda daw yun. Sheesh! Yeah.
So guys, nakauwi na kami dito sa aming spot. Uwi na ulit kami. Pupunta na kami sa aming dinner. Di namin nabidyohan yung mga sasakyan.
We're on our way to our pictorial.
So guys, nandito kami.
We're here, chat. This is where we're having our dinner.
So guys, tapos na kami kumain guys. Tapos na kami kumain. So guys, bibili kami ng cake.
Pag ano?
Ito ang pipiliin namin.
Nag-iisa.
Ang sarap. Si ate, di kami binibilan.
Tapos.
Pabili po.
Bip, bip.
So guys, we're back in today's video. We are in the SM. As before the smile ko.
Yeah, but maybe next time we use our singular.
To sacrifice
So guys, update lang. Magbo-blow na kami. Second year. After namin i-blow tong kando. Ako naman. Higa na kami, kakawi lang namin galing dun sa...
Basta?
Basta?
Ayun lang.
Yun lang. Good night
Post
guys.
ulit.
See you guys
Magka kami
tomorrow.
bukas.
Kagising ko lang.
Good morning. Alis na kami. 9:10. Outfit check. Love outfit check. Kupals.
Kupal day kami.
Kupal day.
New car.
New car, here we go.
Ito kami sasakyan. So bumakbo muna kami. Corn beef pala yun. Then, 1 6-piece nuggets.
Sasabog si ate, nabigyan kami ng small orange juice. Hi ka muna ate! Eh, McDo na lang muna!
Return natin yung pinamili na. Chill kami ngayong araw.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Cairo, then massage, then dental. Then uwi na kami later.
Kala ko mauwi natin yung bagong sasakyan. Expected ko na yun eh. Kaso okay lang.
Buti lang, hindi tayo nag-banf. Nag-banf. May plano pala siya for us. Nerd thing too. Mas maganda pala plano mo sa plano namin. Tanda ako sa sasakyan mo. Kami. Bye.
Ay. Nag-cheat ng Nike.
Ano to?
Lipit
Or
butik.
bag. And, what's my glasses? Lens and Crafters. Correct.
Nike. Sa web. So guys, ito kami sa massage. Ayun. Basahin nyo na lang kahit backwards.
Massage time. My favorite spot! Damn! I love the view. Hey chat. So we picked up our mini rainbow. Say hi. Hi. Again. Kita mo. Cheese.
Picture chicken. Cheers. Oh.
Wah. Gutom na naman sa chat. We're on our way home with our little one. Say cheese! Cheeseburger.
Am I gonna burn
Hi.
because I'm eating? Driving? How did we get here?
You just sleep.
What?
What happened?
You just sleep.
Did I? Hello guys, we're home. We're about to sleep now. It's the end of our vlog, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. Bye bye. May bago na tayo sa sakyan!
Yay!
I'm gonna miss you, buddy.
My Aki. My Aki.
Yeah. See you soon, new car!